Hi there, and welcome back to another session of the Transforming Early Literacy course by alphaTUB. Let's start today with a quick recap of what we have learned in the previous session. In the previous session, we have learned about the importance of alphabet learning and the need for developmentally appropriate practice. Then, we talked about the difference between the whole language approach and the phonics approach, and how we can use both of them to create a blended approach. Now, in this session, we will talk about alphaTUB as an innovative approach for language development and how you can teach young children in a developmentally appropriate way. Let's begin this session with a brief introduction to the components of alphaTUB. There are mainly 4 components of alphaTUB. Collectively, you can use them as an innovative approach to language development for young children. The first one is the alphaTUB board. It is a physical device that can be given to young children to learn a language in a developmentally appropriate way. The next component is the mobile app. You can use the alphaTUB mobile app to create unlimited content from a child's own environment and then convert that content into learning content in the form of TUB sheets. These TUB sheets can be printed and then you can slide them into alphaTUB board. This way you can keep refreshing the content and introduce new words to the child. alphaTUB is truly a game changer. Thanks to alphaTUB Analytics, which is the third component of alphaTUB. As a teacher, you can track and monitor the learning activity of the children and how much their parents are contributing to it with the help of TUB Analytics. alphaTUB provides you the amazing insights that will help you to identify for areas of improvement. Along with the alphaTUB board, mobile app, and TUB Analytics, alphaTUB also provides training for teachers. This is the same training that you are participating in right now. alphaTUB is an innovative mix of hardware and software that does not promote any screen time for children. While the parents and teachers can use the mobile app to capture the content from the child's own environment, the child will use the hardware to learn from the same content. In order to use alphaTUB for personalized content, you can capture content from a child's surrounding with the help of the alphaTUB mobile app. By using the same app, you can convert that content into learning content in the form of TUB sheets. Now, print personalized TUB sheet and slide it into the alphaTUB board. Children can then play and learn at the same time from the personalized content. alphaTUB is a physical device that is revolutionizing the way teachers are teaching young children across the globe. alphaTUB can be constantly refreshed through an endless supply of new sight words based on kids' learning new abilities and progress, thus providing a challenging and winning feeling. Let's watch this quick video to understand that how you can use the alphaTUB board at home as well as in the school.
How to make alphabet learning simpler? Do you know you can learn alphabet from things around in a very easy way? By using alphaTUB app. Take photos of what your kid loves. Assign the photo to an alphabet. M is for mom. C is for cat. F is for family. alphaTUB app will create a personalized alphabet content sheet with images you selected. Slide your personalized printed sheet on your alphaTUB. alphaTUB helps your kid learn alphabet easily. Make alphaTUB the first language tool for your child. alphaTUB, alphabet learning simplified. Available free on app stores. Download today.
I hope that now you have a good understanding of what the alphaTUB board is. alphaTUB is powered by the Tub app. It can help you create unlimited personalized content. alphaTUB is a remarkable tool to teach young children at the home as well as in the school setting. As a teacher, you can also capture personalized content to teach in the classroom. Later on, you can use the Tub analytics to understand the measurable impact on learning outcomes. alphaTUB is a bridge between home and school. First of all, parents capture the content at home from the child's own environment. Parents also use the same content to teach children at home in a playful and fun way. Now, parents will send the content created at home to the teacher. As a teacher, when you receive the content from home, you can use it to teach it in the classroom. As a result of parent-teacher collaboration, the child will get benefited in the form of increased learning outcomes. As a teacher, you can track and monitor the learning progress of the child. You can also track the level of engagement of the parents with the child. Parent-teacher collaboration is a great example of how you can leverage the alphaTUB as a platform to generate relevant content. In another scenario, you can also collaborate with other teachers in your school or anywhere in the world. Creating awesome content is essential, but sharing it via the alphaTUB app makes it even more exciting. You can send or receive content from anyone who is an alphaTUB user. While the alphaTUB board and the mobile app play an important role to teach young children, Tub analytics bring a deep level of understanding to the learning outcomes. With the help of analytics, you can track and monitor homeschool engagement. You can also measure its impact on a child's performance. Various Tub insights can trigger the need for intervention sooner than later. Let's watch the Tub analytics demo to understand how you can use it to see the insights. As you saw in the previous video, Tub analytics is basically categorized into different parts. The first one is the overall report in which the teacher can view the performance of every child in class as well as home. The second report is the class report in which the performance of the children in the class based on the learning content from school and home can be seen. The third one is the home report in which the teacher can view the extent of engagement by parent guardians at home. The fourth type is the individual report in which the performance of each student based on the learning activities at school and home can be analyzed. alphaTUB is an innovative tool that helps in learning the alphabet with meaningful experiences. Whether you are generating your own content or you're receiving the content from home, if the child is familiar with the content, he or she can quickly and effectively learn it. The possibilities are unlimited, and with the help of alphaTUB, you can create relevant and personalized content every day. As you will get more familiar with the app, you will find many ways to create content in your own way. Use that content to bring out the creativity of the child while learning the alphabet. alphaTUB supports experiential, personalized, and individualized learning. While there are millions of ways to teach young children with the help of alphaTUB, we do not promote any screen time for the children. The content that you will gather from the child's own environment will be accessed by the children only on the alphaTUB board. So alphaTUB is a powerful tool that is revolutionizing the way teachers teach young children across the globe. It enhances the quality of child care centers, kindergartens, and pre-primary schools. It also improves the learning outcomes for students. It gives you access to measurable parental engagement for each student. Not only does it provide new benchmarks for impactful parental engagement, but it also provides insights for developmentally appropriate interventions. So this was session 7, and we will see you in the next session.